Welcome to Baking with Jaime and Michelle. But I don't know. We didn't have a theme song, but
No.
I think it could be good. We bought this book, Bread Baking. I'm using my projective voice because we don't have a fancy speaker.
Microphone, and there's a million children here running around
So many.
like elephants in a herd. A screaming, loud herd. That's the coffee. My coffee, just my cup, not anybody else.
I brought my coffee. Hashtag Yeti mug.
Ha!
Hashtag
not-
bread baking for beginners.
Yeah. Hashtag
clear
everything, you guys. Hashtag Boba Specs. No, it's a Costco brand.
Oh, hashtag Costco.
$9.99.
We're like Jimmy Fallon and JT.
Oh, we are.
Doing the funny hashtag things.
And
hashtag JT. Hashtag Fallon.
At night.
Oh, here they come. It's like a tiny tornado. Today we're making page 45. The facelas. Simple. No.
You are
Hashtag.
Italian.
My tiny little jewelry scale that I use to measure, obviously, my jewels, and peanut medicine for my daughter is not sufficient to weigh 500 grams of flour. Who knew? Who could have known?
Nobody could have
How
known
could I
that.
have known I was severely underprepared with my giant jewelry scale?
I feel like jewelry and baking are very similar. I'm speaking loudly because our children have no respect for our baking.
So now we have to rely on the Google to be our jewelry baking scale. So we can know how to measure our flour.
Converting 500 grams of flour to cups is 3.5088 cups. So we can do 3.5 cups, but the 0.088 is concerning. 0.5088, roughly. 375 grams of water. 1.5 cups. We can do
That's
that.
perfect. Just says 375 grams of water.
Does it say anything about...
Any temperature you choose.
Oh.
It doesn't say that,
Oh.
but I think that's what they're going for.
This is going to be so accurate.
Yes. Yes, queen.
Yes.
We've trapped the children behind this barn door. Keeps them out. Keeps the cattle where they need to stay. Disperse the yeast into the water with a gentle swish of your fingers, like making a bubble bath, like you do at the end of every day when your children go to bed quickly and easily and
Yes, with essential
obediently.
oils and Epsom salts.
Like
Julia Child. Right.
Okay.
That's
I see.
That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
if our air temperature is 70, then this is perfect because this needs to be 80.
You guys, done. Practically made bread.
Here
What's
we
the matter,
go.
Fuzzy Bear?
I always thought I'd be like the singing, doting, adoring mother, but I'm mostly just the yelling mother. But I do have a pleasant voice, so the yell I don't think is as abrasive as you might think. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
21,
This is for
does it
beginners,
have-
but maybe we're not even beginners.
There we go.
You should see light foaming from the yeast, letting you know that it is feeling lively and ready to work.
Oh, I see it. It's foaming.
Next, add the flour.
Or is that just from the swishing?
No, we did this in the wrong bowl, my friend. Hold on.
This isn't the expert level video to watch. Like, if you really want to know how to make bread, I wouldn't start here. There's something else.
Okay, so now we let it sit for a couple minutes. Our yeast is not foaming.
It's
So
just dead and
it's
sitting there.
not.
I'll
It's
show you.
not telling us that it's ready to work. That's for sure. It's just like
Nope.
it's like at the bottom of the pool, hanging out, waiting, needing someone to resuscitate it. So now we're just gonna keep trucking along and see. Maybe we'll have flatbread.
Do I add the whole thing at
The
once?
whole job. You dump that mother in there. Yeah. Now, sprinkle the salt on top of the flour. This keeps it from coming into direct contact with the yeast, which can inhibit the rise. That's what she said. Because we gotta throw those in once in a while, like Angie and Pam do. Not Pam, Jenna, sorry.
We're very good at distinguishing fiction
Real
from reality. Or at least on par with my 5-year-old, who was very good.
Yeah.
I told him he would turn into a pickle if he ate pickles the other day. I was like, can that really happen?
Yes, it can. I love this fancy camera work. Amazon Basics tripod.
lights are
Light
flickering.
flicker because the power might go out. The show must go on.
The show must go on. The bread must rise.
Okay, next thing is
I washed my hands recently.
the jam. I can give you some orange.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My children are perfect. I think you need to be more aggressive. Do it like you're rubbing knots out of your husband's neck.
Oh, that's good. That's a good analogy. That's a good analogy. Wow. This is good. This is good.
Ah. How does it feel in your fingers?
Sticky, slacky, doughy,
And like it's gonna be delicious.
like it's never going to come off.
Oh, you're not aggressive enough.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
Shows make us feel better.
Yeah. Media heals children. It's good for their brains, their bodies.
Their immune system
Yeah.
thrives.
I think it helps the yeast in our bread even because it can hear it. It's like playing classical music for plants is the equivalent of Paw Patrol.
I don't want to shame you, but it does say that the dough should come together easily.
Well, I blame the dough. It says the dough is going to be slacking, and it is. It doesn't say anything about the mixer
What are
person.
you guys making?
Like Edward Scissorhands.
After
but
you
of
do this,
dough.
the dough gets to relax for 20 minutes. We don't.
We
still
don't.
have our kids here.
Could I
Making
see?
some dough, yeah, you see there. Like a pro. Dough like a pro. Dough Pro. It's our new product on Amazon. Hashtag Dough Pro.
It straps to your head.
It's
Like a dough
needs
strap.
straps to your head and kneads your bread. What? It's like you can't. I think kneading bread makes the entrepreneurial spirit come alive. Hashtag Shark Tank. Hashtag Lori Grenier.
I don't know what that is.
She's on Shark Tank. She is the QVC queen.
Oh,
Yes, queen.
Yes. Look at you doing it.
What? Dough drop.
Mic drop. Yeah. Ooh. You're doing it. Oh.
That's floss.
The first cut. Ooh, listen to that crunch.